Hello friends! In this review we will speak about not a very serious device, but at the same time I must note that it is not a toy. This is DANIU HY-18. The device is too small. It has only 3 buttons. This is micro USB socket for charging. This is thermal camera. As for the specifications, the device has 2.4-inch screen. It can measure from -40 up to 300 degrees Celsius. The frame frequency is 8 Hz and the capacity of internal battery amounts to 1000 mAh. Let's turn the device on. Long press, logo, and here we have the screen. Initially, when I've got the device, the battery indicator was the same as now. I tried to charge the battery, but nothing changed within an hour. And I thought that the indicator doesn't really check the battery and it's useful only in case of a flat battery. But in 2 hours the battery was fully charged and the indicator showed the corresponding level. Here we see no changes, but in case the device is off, we see the battery indicator. So as soon as the battery is full, the device will show the corresponding sign. Let's turn the device on and check all its functions. Long press. This is emissivity and it's adjustable from the menu. As to this parameter, I've seen almost all the reviews on YouTube and there is still no certain information about it. This is the temperature of the center of the screen. This is the maximum temperature, the minimum temperature, and about this parameter some users say that this is the temperature ambient and other people say that it's average temperature, but in fact this is the temperature of the image sensor. Let's enter the menu. 2 seconds. Sorry, it was more than 2 seconds. No. And here is the menu. Emissivity. Here we have the borders from 0.01 up to 1.0. Maximum temperature can be adjusted from -40 up to 300 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature are the same borders. LCD screen brightness from 1 up to 10. Color scheme from 1 up to 5. Show, this is the accuracy of the screen. Auto temperature. Here we have enabled. And this parameter should be on if you connect this device to computer. But firstly, the quality of the picture is terrible. And secondly, the software is available only in Chinese. Let's check these 2 parameters. Now we have color scheme 2. Let's see it once again. Now this is the standard color scheme almost for all such devices. Color scheme 1. Non-standard one. But anyway, we see it. Black and white. A more realistic one. something like the first scheme. And number 5. But I prefer to use the second one. Here, the plus. This is the hottest point, and this star is the coldest one. We see it's blinking. And now let's change this parameter to 4. So you see the device is inaccurate. So you should always use 1. Let's see a gas torch with the help of this thermal image camera. So we see that the camera adjusts the borders. Here we have 22 and here we have 190, 99, 102. And now this part is hot. Well, that's why we see the changes here. In case we press this button once, the device freezes the image. Also, we can change the borders here. Here we have the maximum temperature 31. The border maximum is 40, and the difference between this 40 and 31 is exactly this 9. Also, we can freeze the image and increase or decrease the border. Now this function is really very useful. Let's turn the device off in order to reset it. Power off, yes. Let's wait for some seconds. Here is my hand. This is the surface where my hand was before. Now we will see some examples also made with this camera. Finally, let's measure the dimensions of this device and its weight. 8 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters without camera, and 3 centimeters with the camera. As to the weight, it's less than 70 grams. Regarding the conclusions, naturally this device is not too accurate, but it's really reasonable to use the device in certain tasks. For example, during checking of circuit boards and also for checking of some cold places of rooms, etc. Besides, you can charge some batteries and reveal the damaged one in case it's too hot and the rest ones remain cold. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck.